a very short tutorial for Outer Worlds on how to disable the radio. You can hear it's playing in the background. Actually, it's like the stress beacon, and it's called like wireless and the Outer Worlds. So basically, what you have to do, there's no like key binding or anything. Just press tab, go to the journal section, and here you will find wireless. But I can't stop the current one, so you have to like launch this one and then stop it, and that disables the distress beacon signal. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and yeah, leave a comment if this helped you or something like that.
That's a bad comment.
The void was there.
Surrounded! Emergency protocols ready.
Give the word and I'll take care of him.